This trading week will be memorable for its extreme volatility and a series of high-impact events. Investors find out that the US Fed begins tapering its QE program in November. Besides, market participants were encouraged by positive metrics on the US economy. These factors boosted demand for dollar-denominated assets and aroused optimism across financial markets. What reports will be on investors' radars in the first half of the trading week? Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. This trading week, meaningful economic data will appear in the economic calendar starting from Tuesday. On November 9, trading sentiment in the Asia-Pacific session will depend on Business Confidence Index by the National Australia Bank. Investors are inspired by notable improvement in business conditions. The reading rebounded strongly in September to the highest level since May. The consensus suggests a stronger score in October as authorities are lifting restrictions in several states. Hence, the Australian dollar is expected to regain some of its losses against the US dollar. Later in the day, market sentiment is going to turn sour in the European trade. Experts at the ZEF Research Institute are likely to report growing pessimism among entrepreneurs in Germany. The Business Sentiment Index for Germany is projected to carry on declining due to lingering disruptions in supply chains and decrease in revenue in export-focused industries, such as auto manufacturing and pharmaceutical industry. Hence, investors have to downgrade the outlook for a rapid recovery in the German economy. This is certainly bearish for the euro-dollar pair. The major report from the US will be released on Wednesday during the American session. Traders will get to know data on US consumer inflation. The Consumer Price Index for October will be fresh evidence that the US economy is overheated. Indeed, an annual rate of inflation growth still greatly exceeds the target level set by the US Fed at around 2%. Consumer prices are expected to rise 0.5% on month in October. Soaring inflation will assure the Federal Open Market Committee to review its stance on the official funds rate. In turn, traders commonly respond to any hint about tightening monetary policy with buying the US dollar. Importantly, trading floors in the United States will be closed on Thursday on the occasion of the public holiday, Veterans Day. So, a weekly update on US jobless claims will be released a day earlier, on Wednesday. The numbers of both initial and continuing claims for unemployment benefits go down week by week. This inspires optimism about the US labor market, which is firmly on the path to almost full employment. We will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.